Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening your Gdevelop project and adding a dedicated main menu scene so the UI is isolated. Create 2 layers, background for visuals and UI for interactive objects. Import your logo, button sprites, and sounds into the project and drop them into the main menu scene. Once the assets are placed, position a title/logo and add 3 sprite buttons, play, options, quit, and name them clearly. Make sure each button object has an instance variable for identification. You wire up interactivity by using instance variables and events. For each button, set a text or string variable like action equals, play so events can branch cleanly. Then create events. If cursor/ touches on button and mouse button released, play the click sound and run sub-events. If action equals play, then change to your game scene. If options, then show an overlay. If quit, then close the game or return to OS. Also add hover events to change scale or sprite frame for immediate feedback. You finalize by creating an options overlay on its own layer with sliders and toggles that write to global or storage variables so settings persist between scenes. Set main menu as the startup scene in Project Manager and test every transition, including pause and resume behaviors. Make sure button hitboxes match visible sprites and that sound files are assigned. If something fails, open the debugger, inspect scene and instance variables, and step through events to locate misfiring conditions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.